Today we are back at Cooper Meadows. This is a massive master plan community being built by Polygon. Today we're at the East Ridge section, is what they're calling it. There's Westfield, East Ridge, and one other section of this community, I believe. And this is the townhomes part of the complex that I want to show you guys today. They're big end user, family sized townhomes, 1,500 plus square feet, double car side-by-side garage, very tastefully done. Functional square layouts. Exactly what you would want in a family home is what they're building here. Most of the townhomes being built these days, a 3-bedroom is like 1,300 square feet, sometimes even smaller, sometimes even 1,280 square feet. Or they'll actually have like a lot of 2-bedrooms that are like 1,150, like 1,100 square feet. So it's very rare you have a project where they've built every single townhome as a family-sized townhome. So developers are starting to cater more to the end user, whereas before it was mostly investor focused. I believe every single floor plan in here is something that I would consider to be an end user floor plan. I mean, you go and you look at these townhomes, I think every single one is a double car side-by-side garage. I don't see any tandems over here. It wouldn't surprise me if they have a tandem floor plan in this complex, but as you can see, there's a ton of double car side-by-side garage. Most of the time, developers are gonna do as many tandems as they can because they can get more townhomes in the complex. They can fit more townhomes on that parcel of land. So they've really thought about the end user on this one. I'm gonna take you guys inside the show home and you can check it out. All right, so here it is. The Annabelle series. This one is 3-bed, 2.5 bath, or 3-bed, 3-bath is what most people would say. Let's take her inside and check her out. So this is a really deep and wide garage. So easily fit 2 cars, but not only that, you have a lot of, because it's so tall, you have a lot of potential storage on the top where you could add some racks for your hockey gear, camping stuff, skiing, snowboarding, hockey, whatever. Obviously epoxy floor too, that's nice. Don't know if that comes with it or not, but could be a good upgrade. If it comes with it, even better. Another beautiful day here in Abbotsford, British Columbia. It's a great layout though. Nice and square, nice and wide, very functional. Open concept living. Nothing much to dislike about it. What is this? Oh, you got the powder room. So this is the half bath that they're talking about down here. And I'll take you guys back to the sales center and talk a little bit more about the area and the project itself. There's actually good size closets in every bedroom as well. What do you guys think? I think these are pretty nice. Your pantry here, some storage. Take you guys out to the front and show you what the outside of these townhomes actually look like. Here we are at the front. And this is what these townhomes look like on the front, or I guess the exterior looks like. So I'm going to take you guys inside and talk about the actual project, what's available, etc., etc. In terms of location, like I said, if I were to live in Abbotsford, I would live in this area. And I do live in this area, so putting my money where my mouth is. And here's Cooper Meadows right here. Used to be a farm for nearly a century. Cooper Meadows was a family-run dairy farm and the lifelong home of Kathy Cooper, a devoted farmer, teacher, and principal. Today, Cooper Meadows honors the Cooper family legacy with a thoughtfully planned community where daily living is enriched by beautiful parks, scenic trails, and natural green spaces. So, this is us. Highway right here, right? So to get to the highway, you're gonna come down McMillan, you're gonna take a right, and then you're right at South Fraser Way, and you can get on the highway probably in like, I want to say 6 minutes from here, something like that, 5 to 7 minutes. Hospital's not too far. Mill Lake, that's a really good walk in the summertime. Obviously this way you got Sumas Mountain, Chilliwack going that way. And then if you wanted to go into historic downtown, which is right here, again, probably 5-6 minutes. Breweries, cafes, restaurants, everything is right there. And then I live somewhere very close by up here, right? So I really like this location. Okay, let's talk about the what's been going on here. Now, if you follow this channel, you know the market's horrible, but these guys have been doing a pretty good job at moving these. See all the sales here, what's left. Right, here we got the street, so that faces McMillan. And then some of the interior units. I think there's 21 left or something like that in this phase of the development. Show you guys what this the clubhouse looks like. Boom. It's pretty sweet. So what do they got in here? Let's see the interior. Okay, here's a floor plan, all right? 2 fire pits, you got a pool, you got a hot tub here, great room, you got a gym, multi-purpose so you can come and do some work on your laptop there. Just something nice for you to do right here in the community. Something I missed about the location. The first exit into Abbotsford is Mount Lehman. Then it's gonna go McCallum and then South Fraser Way. So South Fraser Way, basically everything east of South Fraser Way is East Abbotsford for the most part. And then everything this way is central and then west. East, in my opinion, is the best spot in Abbotsford to be located. You're furthest away from Surrey, Vancouver, everything west, obviously, because you're further east, but you're getting more affordable real estate in a safer, more aesthetically pleasing neighborhood that is also quieter and more family orientated. Or orientated? Family oriented? I don't know. But it's a good area. This is a really good area, and it's very rare that a new project comes to this side of Abbotsford. So something that I almost forgot to mention that I thought was pretty cool. So to honor the owner of the farm, they're actually naming each of these streets after the cows that were on the farm. Bridget, Serendipity, Georgia, Pearl, Jersey. I guess that was the name of each of the cows that were on the farm. Secondly, I guess what they're doing with the clubhouse to honor the old owner or the old farm is they're going to paint it red and make it look like a barn to honor the barn that used to be here. So something cool that you guys might find interesting about the project. Apparently the owner of the farm was very, I don't know the word to use, like notorious is probably like a stupid word to use, but people in the community loved her. She was highly respected, highly reputable. So the developer wanted to do something to honor her. So there you have it. There is East Ridge at Cooper Meadows. I think these are pretty good value. I know a bunch of people in my comments are gonna disagree, get pissed off, but for what you're getting, they're a beautiful townhome. They're gorgeous, the area is great, up and coming, et cetera, et cetera. And if you're interested and you want the information, you can book a time to chat with me using the link down below. Otherwise, if you just enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe. Appreciate you for watching. I'm that Agent Kelly. I'm making moves to move you. Peace.